Welcome back to the channel, Pitbull's Garage. Today, as you see what we got here, oh boy, we got the old turbo stang back out in action. Well, she's kind of out of action right now. So today we're going to do the timing cover, valve cover, gasket, stuff like just general maintenance stuff. Just leaking, that's what happens when you got a race car. So go ahead, once you hit that like, share, subscribe button, stay to see more content of this beauty. Go ahead and check out the previous videos, and let's get to it. All right, we're just gonna go ahead and just jump into it. As you can see, this ain't a stock 5.0. So got different brackets and stuff to make the turbo work, but nonetheless, timing cover is right in there, and you don't have to take this alternator off, but I'm switching this out anyway. So I'm just going to pull this out, move this over. Everything's kind of self-explanatory. Bolt right there, bolt that holds alternator right there, one at the top. This little bracket you got going on right here, move that. Water pump gonna come out, of course. Already unplugged the battery and everything. Pop the serpentine belt off. Like I said, we got the alternator off. Power steering just swung over out the way. The belt off. Got the bottom hose popped off like the coolant drain. So we just this bolt here, bolt right there for the alternator, two bolts right here to hold the power steering. So next I'm about to just go ahead and pop this water pump off. Then we're gonna get down to the crank pulley. So we can go ahead and pop that off too. Next you know, we'll be at the timing cover. Alright guys, yeah, look at that. She's off of there. Let me zoom out a little bit. There you go. See? She came off like a glove. Like I said, two up there, two down there. Plus it's like water pump buttons that help holding in too. So we can take the remainder of the cover off. Two at the top, two over here, two over here, two at the bottom on this side of the oil pan. So four total at the bottom, four in the middle, and them two at the top. And she comes right off. And you see, got double roller timing, or yeah, double roller timing chain. So still a little bit tight. Go ahead and clean that old gasket off, and go ahead and go ahead and see if we can put her back together today. Well, guys, I was just about to start cleaning this off, timing cover, gasket where it was. And we see we got another one, new one. You sent the wrong one. It needs a block off plate right here. And I know what you're saying. Yeah, we probably just put a block off plate there. Yeah, and I thought about that. I thought I did, and went to Rally's. Well, that's my closest. I ain't got a Summit Racing store here, so. But I would need another block off right here, which one the old one doesn't have. And the reason we're changing the timing cover, because it has got cracked right here. I want to see one of these sides right over there. I don't know if you can see that. So old one ain't no good, so it had the special order one. So unfortunately, with it being a holiday, we won't be able to get one till next week, even with rush delivery. Like I said, it's a holiday weekend. And so I guess we're gonna have to just push it to the side. I might go ahead and knock out, because I got to do the valve covers, so I might just go ahead and do that. And that's pretty straightforward. Just pull that upper intake. Well, on the back one you can probably clear it, but you still got to pull that upper intake just to get to that one. Pull the pipe off. So let's go ahead and see if we can do that. So like I said, it's ran kind of different because it's a turbo setup, but see, I got that side off. It wasn't too bad. It kind of snuck out pretty good. It was a little angle. Even with the turbo on the way, slid out pretty darn good, I'll tell you what. And of course, this is the easy side. Like I said, it's just six bolts. Pull up, slides right on out there. It just came right on there. So we're gonna go ahead. See, I already gotta clean that up a little bit more, but already got that one pretty darn clean, don't you think? I think so. So go ahead and put the gaskets back on there and probably just call it well, we got them back on. Got the valve covers back on, and hopefully I can at least get a upper intake gasket, so I can throw the intake. I guess I'd be done with that part. So then all I can do is wait for the timing cover to come in. Here's somebody out there. Well, it looks sound like he got the timing cover out there running it. Anyway, like I said, well, I ain't sure you struggle with this. This it's easy coming off, but trying to get my fingers down in there around that turbo piping was kind of you know, kind of a job. So we're gonna go ahead and just skip to the next day.